Ya muno mulikito Paul Kapo Karaha Soroboturu habara ibensemo yo kwamirira serikali ya Kenya linda mwananchi bali bakulige birogo OIME ya Kenya ni golitskura lero bomwerana asomo bwanyo yo OIME ya Nairobi abwase bagikeli kiburaburu ekyo cyarorekanire asama tukabongwiga ukwana na waliki bamungana mu basorero baganiro bwena bokorekana siamate ya nyagosira fini sentiosemo oyo manekani tuna mapindusi oyo suriyo bogimo bwaye kubwatikana neburaburu yabetege kwenekigwa sensemo ya kimbo muri kitupiusi biyogo noroboti rwasinjira yobekira
twegwete moisonde abali baire tu police bakairu kotini akwerende file yabe gasira naki file yogusira obokoro bore kisi county wande bwere nende bwere na gunizimu
nase omoboganyo yomo imeomo cho Nairobi abo ase bali bakwamereria serikali korwa sensemo yekiombekeri kia linda mwananchi banyana ko bagusangiririkana annemono bali bakurigia ebirogo ao egati yabo ebirogo byo MCA obojumbe obogavana nabo goika obo women rep banyana ko bago chamo bunenchere ya moyo kwanira aserio gelimo nonye nabo niko barekanire bakogikeria annemono siasa echichene ko bachikorekana ko bachimbe imense ya Kenya chinga kiba murusiria mamocho muraibu ense ya Kenya muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto asekeria bagote babuna niko siasa yanyereko bayakorerekana yogoitera manyinga yogoita abantu goika gusiri obugima bwabo chinga kibono abantu ao bagenderete kuyakire kuko anemono asokorigia ebirogo imense ya Kenya.
The incoming member of parliament of Embakasi East, nataka kuongelelea hii issue ya gunism. Please, the government of William Samoei Ruto, stop gunism. Hakuna vile tutakuwa na nchi yenye inaraniwa na goons. It is not the first time magoons wamecommit a crime in this country. Itakuwaje wenye walifanya kitendo keumbu saa hii faili yao haipatikani kotini, and then we call ourselves we have a government.
Egati ya barayi abo ngamona oyo kurigia ekero kyobo bujumbe imeye bunge ya Bubasie county ya Kisii oyo nyarakoboko gikeria anemona gotome ngora ya egochia se family ya nyarakobego Syria osiemo oyo nyarakoboko nyora chingo machinti ndia se chiro ya keumbu na gobego Syria obugima bwae
gobasaba mutige kutumia abayishimiwa abande ko bachibesa elini muchaye goita abayishimiwa abande n'abantu babo igali kyombuntu arocha abayishimiwa abakwenda abasigali mbaro barusitigu abande bakarusigu no enkorubo basi koruigale bakaletu mba kyombu kolenda abantu bankuruta magena ba Zaire Janda igobo no gosorra abantu aba serikali momanyeta abantu bali baruta magena chikamera zinje abegetu media nje imugetia abantu bali twaroche bonse baruta magena toko basorra bonse babwatu babekume elinde osiemu na abande banyole justice.
Russia's Nemayan Shukuru, woman rep aspirant Narok County. I'm here on behalf of Linda Mwananchi, and first to pass my condolences to the family of Vincent, who lost during the Kisii County tour, and to urge my fellow youth, please don't be used by leaders against each other. You are increasing the loss of lives in this country. From the protest, we have been against loss of lives of the young people. Kindly, young people, stop the goonism. Tokenism is not the way that we want in this country. Youth should be given employment. Kindly ask for opportunities from these leaders. Let them not use you against each other, because if this is what is happening right now, then we don't know what 2027 will look like. Kindly don't be used against each other. Let Kenya be peaceful, and youth, please let's focus and register as voters so that next year we can bring the change that this country needs. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hii ni kitu ambayo tunakashifu kabisa. Kuna mtu anafaa kupoteza maisha, hakuna mtu anafaa kuumia, hakuna biashara inafaa kuumia, kwamba kila mtu ana haki yake na tunalindwa na katiba kama nchi. Tufuate sheria ili tuishi maisha mazuri, na kila mtu kwa upande wa siasa tuache kutumia hii mambo, tuache kutumia mambo ya magunzi, kwa sababu kama mtu anaweza kuweka gunzi, mwingine pia anaweza kuweka gunzi. Tutaumizana, na at the end of the day sisi ni mandugu na tutakuwa tunaumiza nchi yetu.
Kuripotere getaseni kia getembe korugiga igaso mucho Nairobi igonkoro kwa Pius okemwa biogo.